Hey guys, welcome to my channel or channels. I'm not sure if I want to put this on both of them or one of them or what, but I got a quick little haul for you. This morning we had to go to Shreveport, so we stopped at a few stores and had lunch since it's my birthday. Just had a little bit of fun, and but I couldn't stay there very long. I had to get back by a certain time. But I did get to go to 3 stores and get a few things, so that was fun. And have, like I said, have lunch. Went to Joann's. This is only the second time I've been to Joann's, and it wasn't great. The store was a complete mess. There were lots of places where there was nothing on the shelves. There was stuff all over the floors, but I did get a few things. My daughter got some art supplies, so she was excited about that. But I did get, they had their Easter ribbon, I think it was 70% off, and they had their spring ribbon 50%. This was in the Easter. It's white with gold metallic. We can get that to zoom in here. Alright, it's a 7/8. It's 3 yards for $4.99, but like I said, it was 70% off, or 75, I think it's 70. This is going to be great on senior moms for bows. You can use it on loops. I'll probably be making a lot of bows with it. And then I did get a little bit of cardstock. Now this is a glitter, but it's not like a full glitter. It is like a really thick regular cardstock with some glitter on it. It is a true burgundy. They call it red carpet. But I put it up to the burgundy luster and it looks just like it. So I'm excited about this. It's pretty heavy. It's decently heavy, but it's not as heavy as regular glitter cardstock. So we'll tell you that. But I will have fun, you know, working with this season, see how it works. And I was really excited about this. They had a true white glitter. They only had 3 sheets, so I got all 3 sheets. Again, here is the label. And they only had a small selection of glitter cardstocks, and they only carried them in this size. So that's what I got. And then we went to the at-home store. Actually, that was our first stop. And I got these storage containers that snap. I love these for the different blings. So they were $3.99 each. Not terrible, but not great either. And my idea was that I have this spot right here, and you can see I have similar containers here. These are the ones I got from Hobby Lobby, and I was hoping that it fit there. Fits perfectly. 2 just fits right there, just perfectly. I mean, you have to really squeeze them in there, but super excited about that because I do have some more bling coming, so that's going to be great for that. So I don't mind paying $3.99 when they work perfectly. These were a 3-pack. I wasn't sure about them because they were all sealed up. They were again $3.99. And I couldn't tell how they worked, but I'm super excited because they have these lids and they snap really good. They're really secure. It's going to hold a good little amount of something smaller, which I need a lot of containers like this. They all have their own lid and they stack really well. But on my bookshelves, not particularly this one, but this one over here, I know it's dark back there, but I do have spots that are really narrow where I can put stuff. But every time I try to put something in this way, it's too tall. So these are going to be a perfect addition for that as well. They're going to fit perfectly in there, so I'm super excited about that. That I can put like some of the bigger embellishments and stuff in here. Help me organize some things. I have a clearance find from At Home that I'm super excited about. These wooden farmers market crates. They are normally $29.99, which I would never pay for. That is way too high for my budget. You see, they say produce, good talk, produce on the front, and they were 75% off, so they were $7.49 a piece. I got 2 of them. They're gonna stack well. They're gonna be great either on my bookshelves or, I mean, even on the floor if I have to stack them up on the floor with supplies or extra supplies or whatever I put in there. I'm not sure what I'm going to use them for yet, but I am really excited about those. And they're super cute, so they will look cute in here, which is, you know, something else that I want. But I think that is it. It wasn't, we went to Barnes & Noble as well, and I didn't find anything there. I was hoping they had some bargain books or something, and nothing. It was Barnes & Noble has turned into a toy store and a game store, like not like gaming, like board games. They were everywhere. Of course, they have a cute, large children's section, but I was very disappointed. I hadn't been in a Barnes & Noble in a long time, and I was very disappointed. But my daughter did find a series of books that she's been wanting to read, so that was, she got something. But I was super excited about these finds, and it was fun just to go walk in that at-home store because it is huge, and they have all kinds of stuff in there. A lot of the stuff is higher priced, but they do mark down a lot of stuff. And then they do have stuff that's, you know, pretty reasonable too. But it was fun. It was a fun morning. Thanks for watching. I'm going to get this video uploaded. So if you guys will please give it a thumbs up and give me at least a heart in the comment section, I would appreciate that very, very much. I hope you have a wonderful evening. And be kind to yourself, be kind to others. And happy crafting, happy mum making, happy organizing, whatever it is you're doing. All right, guys. Catch y'all in the next one.